In this video, I am going to teach you about Componendo, Dividendo and the combination of Componendo and Dividendo. Let's understand Componendo first. If A by B is equal to C by D, then A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. This is a formula. Let's see how did we get this formula. Let's take A by B is equal to C by D. Adding plus 1, that is adding 1 to both sides. See, A by B plus 1 is equal to C by D plus 1. By taking the LCM, so when we take the LCM, it becomes A plus B by B equal to C plus D by D. So this is a formula for Componendo. Did you understand, dear students? So for Componendo, the formula is A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. Now let's understand Dividendo. If A by B is equal to C by D, then A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. Dear children, remember for Componendo it is plus A plus B, that is numerator plus denominator divided by denominator equal to numerator plus denominator divided by denominator. Here for Dividendo it is A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. That means you have to subtract numerator minus denominator by denominator equal to numerator minus denominator by denominator. So how did we get this formula? Let's see. A by B equal to C by D. Subtracting minus 1 to both sides, we get A minus B minus 1 equal to C minus D minus 1. By taking LCM, we get A minus B by B equal to C minus D by D. Dear children, just remember for Componendo, it is numerator plus denominator by denominator, and for Dividendo, it is numerator minus denominator by denominator. So when we combine these two, that is Componendo and Dividendo, what we get? Dear children, when we combine Componendo and Dividendo, that is if A by B equal to C by D, then A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D, where A is not equal to B and C is not equal to D. Let's see how did we get this. We know that from Componendo, A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. That is the Componendo. And by Dividendo, A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. When we divide equation 1 and 2, see, when we divide equation 1 and 2, we get A plus B by B divided by A minus B by B. So it becomes a reciprocal. So into B by A minus B. B get cancelled, you get A plus B by A minus B. Same way, C plus D by D into reciprocal D by C minus D, D get cancelled, C plus D by D. So for Componendo and Dividendo, it is a combination of both. Componendo, the numerator of Componendo and the numerator of Dividendo. That is A plus B by A minus B and C plus D by C minus D. How to remember this? You have to write the numerator of Componendo and numerator of Dividendo in the numerator and denominator. See, A plus B and A minus B equal to C plus D and C minus D. It's very easy to remember. Dear children, just remember that in Componendo, let me take you to the Componendo. In Componendo, it is A plus B by B and C plus D by D. In Dividendo, it just becomes minus A minus B by B equal to C minus D by D. And in Componendo and Dividendo, it is A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. Let's understand all this formulas by taking an example. Let's take this example, 3x square plus 5x plus 7 divided by 10x plus 14 equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 3 divided by 8x plus 6. If you see this equation, we cannot split this by normal factorization method. So what we have to do is, we have to multiply both sides by 2. When I multiply both sides by 2, I get 2 3s are 6x square plus 5 2s are 10x plus 7 2s are 14. 14 divided by 10x plus 14 equal to 3 2s are 6x square plus 4 2s are 8x plus 3 2s are 6 divided by 8x plus 6. Now by using dividendo, so dividendo means this becomes your x, this becomes your a, and this becomes your b. So what is the formula for dividendo? A minus b by b equal to c minus d by d. Dividend means minus. Isn't it, dear children? So by using dividendo, a is this 6x square plus 10x plus 14 minus 10x plus 14. Keep it in bracket. Divided by 10x plus 14. Now when you open the bracket, same way you have to do the other side also. 6x square plus 8x plus 6 minus 8x plus 6 divided by 8x plus 6. Understood, dear children? 8x plus 6. So now when you open the bracket, so 6x square plus 10x plus 14 minus 10x minus 14. So here 10x plus 10x and minus 10x get cancelled, plus 14 and minus 14 get cancelled. Here plus 8x and minus 8x get cancelled, plus 6 and minus 6 get cancelled. So you are left with 6x square by 10x plus 14 equal to 6x square by 8x plus 6. So if I divide by 6x square, I get 1 in the numerator both sides. So divide both sides by 6x square. So when you divide, that is divide by 6x square, that becomes a reciprocal. So 6x square get cancelled, you get 1 by 10x plus 14. Same way, other side also you get 1 by 8x plus 6. Now cross multiply. So you get 8x plus 6 into 1 is 8x plus 6 equal to 10x plus 14. Get all the x term to one side. 8x, when you shift the side, the sign changes. So it is plus, so it becomes minus 10x equal to 14 minus 6. So minus 10x plus 8 is minus 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 by minus 2, you get minus 4. So you get x is equal to minus 4. Let's take one more example to understand this better. This is slightly complicated and we are going to use component and dividendo both. See, here it is root x plus 7 plus root x minus 2 divided by root x plus 7 minus root x minus 2. So this entire term is a, this entire term is b, this is c and this is d. Our component and dividendo formula is a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. So here this entire thing is a. Our formula is a plus b by a minus b. So root x plus 7 plus root x minus 2 plus b. Root x plus 7 minus x minus 2, keep it in bracket, divided by a minus b. So just write what is a. X root x plus 7 plus root x minus 2 minus, because a minus b, minus in bracket x plus 7 minus root x minus 2. Okay, here also this is c. So 5 and 1 is d. So 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1. Now open the bracket. When you open the bracket, it becomes root x plus 7 plus root x minus 2 plus, because plus x plus 7 minus, plus into minus is minus, root x minus 2 divided by root x plus 7 plus root x minus 2 minus root x plus 7, minus into minus is plus, root x minus 2. So here plus and minus get cancelled. Here also plus and minus get cancelled. So you get, there are two terms of root x plus 7. So 2 root x plus 7 by 2 root x minus 2. Here 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 minus 1 is 4. So 2 3s are 2 2s are. So you get this, 2 2 is common, so you can just cancel it. So you have x plus root x plus 7 by root x minus 2 equal to 3 by 2. Squaring both sides. So when you square, this root and square get cancelled. So you have x plus 7 by x minus 2. And 3 3s are 9 by 4. Cross multiply, you get 4x plus 7 4s are 28 equal to 9x minus 9 2s are 18. Minus 18. So you get all the x term to one side. 4x minus 9x equal to minus 18 minus 28. So this, after solving, you get minus 5x minus 46, minus get cancelled, x is equal to 46 by 5. Dear children, once you understand this formula, it is very, very, very easy. So don't worry, you can always do it comfortably.